Hello children. SST lesson number 14. Let us celebrate. Dear children, as you know that India is a vast country and people belonging to different religions live here and celebrate their festivals. Children, festivals are special occasions on which we get together and share happiness, yes or no? Whenever you celebrate any festival, all our relatives we come together, we share happiness, yes? So, many festivals are celebrated in India. Children, some festivals which are celebrated all over the country are called national festival. National festivals are Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. All these festivals are celebrated every corner of our country. And that's why these festivals are called national festivals. Dear children, some festivals which are based on different cultures and religions are called religious festivals, like Holi, Diwali, Dashera, Pongal, Eid, etc. So, let us know more about national festivals. As I told you that national festivals are celebrated throughout the country. That's why they are called national festivals. Our first national festival is Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. As you know that our country became independent on this day in 1947. Program every year, Independence Day program takes place at the Red Fort. Our Prime Minister hoists the Indian flag and delivers a speech to the nation. Even various cultural events also staged in schools and institutions all over the India. Next national festival is Republic Day. We celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. A majestic parade marches past the President of India at the Rajpath. A cultural procession follows the parade. Many tableaus of different states are also part of the fleet. Even from our Maharashtra also, this year there is a tableau of Santa Parampara. The police, the army, the navy and the air force jawans take part in the show. In this procession, many school children and folk dancers also perform. On this occasion, the soldiers who fought bravely to protect our India are also awarded. Children who have won bravery awards also take part in this procession. Our next national festival is Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. It is also celebrated as International Non-Violence Day, as Gandhiji supported non-violence. And this day is also celebrated as Non-Violence Day all over the world. On this day, the President, the Prime Minister and others pay homage to the great leader at Rajghat in New Delhi. Dear children, as I told you that India is a vast country and people belonging to different religions live here and celebrate different festivals. Yes, first festival is Holi, as you also like to play in colors. Yes or no? So dear children, Holi is the festival of colors. The celebration starts on the previous night only, by lighting a bonfire called Holika Dahan. The next day, people of all ages splash colors on each other. They use dry color that is called gulal. People play water-based color also. Special dishes prepared, that is gujia. Wow! Next festival is Diwali. Everybody's favorite festival, yes or no? Children, Diwali is the festival of lights. People worship Goddess Lakshmi for their well-being and prosperity. Meaning of Diwali: row of lights. People celebrate this festival by decorating their homes, lighting diyas and bursting crackers. People wear new clothes and distribute gifts among their family and friends. Next festival is Dashera. Dashera is also known as Vijayadashmi and it is celebrated to mark the victory of good over evil. Ram Leela is also performed, that is the stage show, and it narrates the whole episode of Lord Rama defeating the demon king Ravana. And this stage play ends with the burning of Ravana's effigy. Next festival is Pongal. Pongal is a harvest festival celebrated in the southern part of India. Mainly this Pongal is celebrated in the southern parts of India, mainly in Tamil Nadu. As you know that crops are ready, that's why farmers are very happy. And it is celebrated for 4 days as new rice is ready. New rice is boiled in earthen and brass pot. And on the 3rd day, cows are worshipped. Same time, Bihu is also celebrated in Assam and Makar Sankranti is celebrated all over the India. Next festival, Eid. There are 2 main types of Eid, Eid ul Fitr and Eid ul Zuha. On these days, people wear new dresses and offer prayers in mosque. It is the festival of brotherhood. After prayers, they embrace each other and they exchange good wishes. Eid Mubarak. Special dish is prepared, sevaya. Next festival, everybody's favorite festival, Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25th of December as the birthday of Jesus Christ. Special prayers are offered in the church and children are waiting for Santa Claus to bring gifts for them. Christmas trees are also beautifully decorated. In every house, Next festival is Guru Purab. Guru Purab marks the festival of Gurus. Prayers are offered at the Gurudwaras. On the second day, a huge procession is conducted by singers, musicians, and martial arts teams. Free meal or langar is organized for all. Dear children, some days of the year are celebrated as special occasions throughout the country. They are the birthdays of some great people. For example, Teachers' Day. It is celebrated on 5th September as the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was the second president of our India, and he was also a great teacher. Children's Day. It is celebrated on 14th November as the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who loved the children most. He was the first Prime Minister of India and he was fondly called Chacha Nehru by children. Other special festivals are also celebrated in different regions of our country, such as Buddha Purnima, Mahavir Jayanti, Raksha Bandhan, etc.